finally got another parcel from this Ian. Yes, Ian in US, and he's been sending me. I think this is the third times that he bought me is Converse shoes. And biyambi sa ganyan ako sabi ka to ilambi. Palihog. So this one I purchased it into online shop. Katong na Converse nga kuan paper bag. I bought it online. He sent me the link, which is from US website. Yeah, US shop, because there is no available stock here in the Philippines. I've been trying to search it everywhere. Then no, but this time I'll have to show you, since this one is it's already open yet. So this is his third time he purchased me Converse. The black Converse with gold metal or gold hardware to this side. Yeah, that's from Ian. And the other one is the plain black, the one that I use in school. And this one is the third one. You like Converse? Fudge! Thank you so much again, Ian. And this is very interesting. I don't know. And later that I found out that there is a total shop for Converse shoes. It's somewhere a very unique boutique here in Cebu, which that was my first time to go there, ha? Ano man? Yun. Sabi man to. Sabi man to, bet. Yeah, gisakod. Sakod niya. 10 naman ang tudong. 40 naman na. So this is it. Oh, it has a band. So this is the color. So the color is very unique. I didn't see this color to be shop that where there's a lot of Converse shoes stock around, but then so this is it. The bluest one. It's a royal blue, I guess. Yes. Voila. I got it. Oh, it's so nice. Why it's really feels more success when you smell those brand new shoes every time. And they got me free. I have to wear this one if I'm going to fit any of the shoes in the shop or in a boutique. Oh, it smells so good. This one smells so good. This smells different, but look at the difference. This is so white, and this one is kind of peach one. So they have the same. I think they have the same quality, the same braided, all the same, and the size as well. Thank you so much. And I have another one waiting. That's from Ian again. That's where the Nike Air Orange. I am also excited to that shoes to be arrived. Yes, and for the moment of truth, let's try to put them on. I already tried the red one. Yeah, this was his second one because he asked me to buy the black one. Then there is no stock with black, only the one that has gold in here. I think he saw it into my channel already. Here. And this one is the second one, third, and fourth one. Fourth one. So this is the fourth one, and the Nike Air is coming also. So I have so many shoes from him. He just asked me a video, and that's it. So I like this one. I always wear this one. Look how dirty it is inside. It's really comfy. I don't know why Converse is really comfy to wear. Now for the moment of truth. If it fits perfectly, it is. Wow! It fits perfectly. I like it. I just received a bag from David's with Michael Kors and I am so happy. I will upload it later also. And for the Brad one, look! Wow! Okay, thank you so much, Ryan, for spoiling me lots of shoes, new Converse shoes. Thank you so much. Wow, I like it. I love the color. It's blue because I am not too girly. I love this one, but of course I love heels. But when it comes to confidence, this is very comfy, very comfortable for me to walk. I can use this one wearing a skirt, short, whatever I want to pair with them. Got it. Thank you so much,